Social introvert. A social introvert enjoys being around people but only in measured amounts. They may attend gatherings, laugh easily in conversations, and appear outgoing at times, yet they still need space afterward to recharge. Their energy comes in waves, and too much interaction can quietly drain them. What makes them distinct is this balance between connection and solitude, allowing them to move between both worlds without fully belonging to either. Thinking introvert. A thinking introvert lives mostly in their inner world. They spend long stretches reflecting, imagining, and processing ideas rather than seeking constant external stimulation. This tendency often shows up in creative or analytical pursuits where deep focus is valuable. They are not necessarily shy, but their attention is directed inward, making them seem distant even when they are fully present. Anxious introvert. An anxious introvert feels discomfort in social situations, often driven by self-awareness and concern about how they are perceived. Their introversion is tied closely to emotional sensitivity, which can make even small interactions feel overwhelming. This type tends to replay conversations afterward, searching for mistakes or meaning. Understanding this pattern helps explain why solitude feels safer and more manageable. Restrained introvert. A restrained introvert moves through life at a slower, more deliberate pace. They prefer to think before speaking and rarely act on impulse. This careful approach can come across as reserved or distant, but it often reflects a strong sense of control and awareness. They ease into situations rather than diving in, making their presence steady and predictable. Enthusiastic extrovert. An enthusiastic extrovert brings visible energy and excitement into any space. They express emotions openly and often lift the mood of those around them. Their reactions are quick and genuine, making them seem vibrant and spontaneous. This type stands out for their intensity, turning ordinary moments into lively experiences through sheer presence. Shy extrovert. A shy extrovert desires social interaction but feels hesitant or nervous when engaging. There is a pull toward people, combined with an internal barrier that slows them down. Over time, they may warm up and become more expressive, revealing their extroverted side once the initial discomfort fades. This contrast between desire and hesitation defines their experience. Assertive extrovert. An assertive extrovert naturally takes the lead in conversations and group situations. They are comfortable expressing opinions, making decisions, and guiding others. This confidence often positions them as leaders, whether formally or informally. What defines them is not just sociability, but a strong drive to shape outcomes and move things forward. Social extrovert. A social extrovert thrives on interaction and connection with others. They feel energized in group settings and often seek out opportunities to engage, whether through conversations, events, or shared activities. Their openness makes them approachable, and they tend to build wide social networks. For them, being around people is not just enjoyable, it is essential for feeling alive and engaged. Agentic extrovert. An agentic extrovert focuses on achievement, influence, and action. They are energized by goals and the process of reaching them, often using their outgoing nature to create opportunities. Their extroversion is tied to ambition, blending social skill with determination. This makes them particularly effective in roles that require persuasion, networking, and initiative. Ambivert. An ambivert sits between introversion and extroversion, shifting depending on the situation. They may enjoy quiet time one day and seek out company the next without feeling conflicted. This flexibility allows them to adapt easily to different environments. Rather than being fixed in one category, they respond to context, which often gives them a unique advantage in understanding both sides. Quiet extrovert. A quiet extrovert enjoys being around others, but expresses themselves in a calm and measured way. They may not dominate conversations, yet they feel comfortable and energized in social settings. Their presence is subtle rather than loud, often making them good listeners. This type shows that extroversion does not always come with volume or intensity. Outgoing introvert. An outgoing introvert appears sociable and friendly, but still needs regular time alone to reset. They can engage easily with others and even enjoy being the center of attention briefly, yet their energy has limits. After social interaction, they return to solitude to recover. This blend often leads others to misread them as fully extroverted, even though their inner needs remain different.